What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel today. So in today's video, I have an unboxing here of a mosquito mister fogger. This particular one is made by Proyama. I'll put a link down in the description for it below. But let's get this unboxed and show you what comes in the package, and I'm also going to show you how to use it. So if that sounds like something you're interested in and you're looking for a backpack sprayer to fog mosquitoes, ticks, spray other stuff, stick around for the video. All right, let's go. All right, so I know you guys aren't in your usual unboxing spot here, but this is what I got today, so let's go ahead and open this up from Proyama. We have a tool kit here. Looks like it's got a 8 and a 10 millimeter wrench, scrunch in there, an Allen wrench, a couple zip ties. Couple of tubes here. This on the floor so you guys can see what we have. More tubes. Bag C. Like some accessories here, and looks like a mixing bottle for fuel and oil. I won't be using that. And a manual. This is model PMT 37. Normally I don't really go through these manuals too much, but we'll show you what we have here just because this is a foreign unit, so see if their manual is decent. So they're giving you a starting procedure in here. You can look at that if you want. Tank comes completely assembled for misting liquids if you plan to use the tank for misting. Do not make any modifications to inside or outside of the tank. Do not use any parts from bag C. And a bunch of don't blow your own hand off stuff. Here's the specs for the machine. And just connecting the pipe, fogger assembly. This will also spray powders and granulars. And that's what all this is here. So if you're interested in doing that, you can definitely check this out. Troubleshooting. The manual's actually pretty good, I would say, for being what it is. So. And look at that mosquito flying around right there. Look at those things. It is 3 p.m. right now and they're everywhere. So here's the unit itself. Looks like we have some additional accessories in the tank. Overall, guys, I'm pretty impressed with it. If it runs good, I think this will be a decent machine. So let's go ahead and get everything assembled here. And the straps maybe aren't the best or whatever, but look at these skeets trying to bite me. There's skeets flying around me everywhere right now. But we're gonna put this on here. Tighten this up. Alright, let me get this one. Goes in here. Alrighty. Alright, there we go. Put this on. Alright, we're gonna go put some water in this so I can give it a shot. Alright, I believe in the instructions it said to set this at half throttle. Prime the primer bulb. Get the fuel going. And then it said put it on full choke and pull it 2 times. It said it wouldn't start on that, but it did, so you heard it there. And then it wants you to move it to half choke, pull it again. Alright, then we can put the throttle down there. Nice. The Proyama. Let her warm up for a few seconds here. The Proyama. I suggest setting this up on something once you have it full, full of water to get easier out of the bed. Oh yeah, when you get that full, it'll be heavy. Sloshes around a lot. Alright, here we go. Try a little water fogging. So this is the Proyama fogger. Overall, I think it's a pretty good unit. I think the straps could be an improvement, but overall, I think it's pretty nice, and we'll get some video of us fogging with it and show you that as well. Yeah, it also shoots pretty high in a tree. It's a little windy out today, so we couldn't get a super good estimate, but I'd say at least 30 feet, roughly. And we'll get some video of us using it when the wind calms down, and you can see for yourself.